Okay, hello and welcome to my YouTube channel. It's another day with Mr. Miracle on Math Therapy. Okay, today we'll be dealing with statistics, basic statistics, mean, median, and mode. Now, in dealing with this, how you do that is simply following the definitions given. For instance, the mean is simply the average score, like you're given in the question here. The average score is simply taking sum of all the score and divided by the number of participants in the exam and others. While the median is the middle score, the middle number within the score. And the mode is the number with the highest frequency. So we go straight into solving this. Now see the method I'm going to use to get the mean. I'll draw another frequency table and I say score I say frequency and I say score times frequency. So the score, the first score there is 0. We do this. The second is 1. Do this. Second is, the third is 2. The fourth is 3. The fifth is 4. And the sixth is 5. So we can say here is total or summation, as the case may be. Good. Okay. Now, what we do is we multiply, for this, we multiply the score by the frequency to get a new digit here. This is going to give us the total sum of the entire class that wrote the exam or that starts for the exam. Now watch, the frequency given here is 5, here is 6, 4, 2, 1, 2. So if we take sum of the frequency, this is going to give us 20. Now we do this, score times frequency. So 0 times 5 is 0, 1 times 6 is 6, 2 times 4 is 8, 3 times 2 is 6, 4 times 1 is 4, 5 times 2 is 10. If we take the sum of this, we'll be having 34. So we simply say mean equals 34 over 20. Total sum over the number of students that actually took part in the exam. So this is going to become 2 here is 10, 2 here is 17. So this equals 17 over 10, which is 1.7. So this is the mean. Then for the median, okay, I think the median is going to take longer, so let's quickly solve the mode. For the mode, we say it's the number with the highest occurring frequency. So we check the frequency, which is bigger here, is 6. So what number follows 6 is 1. So the number of people that scored 1 is the highest. So we now see that the mode is what? 1, because it has a frequency of what? 6. Now for the median, what we do first of all is to arrange the score in ascending order. It's already in ascending order, but we have to arrange it based on the number of times they appear in the frequency. So that's going to be, for 0 it appears 5 times. So this is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1 appears 6 times. So this is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 2 appear 4 times. So this is 1, 2, 3, 4. Then 3 appears twice. So this is 4 appeared once. This is 4. 5 appeared twice. So this is 5. 5. So we have arranged it in ascending order. So the next point now is we count both sides to get to a midpoint by cancelling them. So I count from the beginning. 1, here should be 1, 2, 2, 3, 3, 4, 4, 5, 5, 6, 6, 7, 7, 8, 8, 9, 9. So if there's 10, then this one will cancel out, okay? So it means we have 2 numbers for the middle number. Now, if the given set of value, like you can see from our frequency here, that the frequency is 20, meaning the number of people who participated is even. So if the number of participation is even, or the total frequency is even, it will always have 2 middle numbers or medians, which we are going to sum and divide by 2. But once it is odd, it's definitely going to be 1, which you don't need division. But for this, is even, so we have 2. So the numbers there, we now say median equals 1 plus 1, that is this one we have here, over 2. So this is going to give us 2 over 2, which is what? 1. So that's the middle number. So I believe this is simple enough. So in our next video, I'm going to be moving to group data. This is an ungroup data. Very simple and easy to follow. So I will enjoin you to subscribe to my channel if this is your first time of engaging with my content, and also try to see other videos. I also do therapy session which may help you boost your confidence in math and statistics. So do well to like. Also drop your comments in the section below. We'd like to get your questions and correct your confusions. Take care. Bye.